Okay, now that I have my eyebrows on, I'm gonna do my base first, just because I'm not gonna do anything on my eyes. This is gonna be literally like a very minimal, no makeup kind of look, because like I'm just going to the fridge, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna prime with the Kylie Jenner face primer, whatever. I'm just gonna do like a pump. I'm gonna apply this like on my T-zone area, forehead, and on the chin. I'm just gonna use a stick foundation, but before I go in with my foundation, I like to spray my face with some kind of setting spray, something that's a little hydrating. I don't know why I do all these hydrating steps as if I have dehydrated skin, but although my face is very oily, I just like doing these steps because I feel like my foundation just applies a lot better, a lot smoother, and all that stuff. So for today, I'm gonna use the Pearlescence aloe and rose water spray. So I'm basically just gonna spray this on this side of my face, and as that is where I go in with my foundation, and I just put it right on top of that. And today I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation stick. I'm using the shade Sunkissed Beige. So next I'm just gonna go on with concealer, my ColourPop No Filter concealer, per usual. For today's powder, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Translucent Setting Powder. First, I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I switched up the color. This is in the shade Sunkissed Bronzer. And this one is a lot more warm than the normal original bronzer. So this one just gives a lot of warmth to the skin, which I like. And then I will take a very similar brush, but like mini version. And this is another BH brush. And then I will go in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. My camera died, so now we're on my phone. Sorry about it. I feel like my phone doesn't wash me out as much. I might just end up filming on my phone these days. As I was saying, this is the Kylie palette that I got around the holiday season. Has 2 highlights, a blush, and a bronzer. This is my go-to blush at the moment. It's already having a little dent in the product. I'm sad about it. And then I'm going to use my Morphe E49 to apply this. I'm going to take, this is the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. Looks like this. Shout out to Eidma. She gave me this for Christmas. And I'm just gonna take a just random fluffy brush. This is from Wet n Wild. And I'm just gonna grab this warm brown and then this orange and just mix those and just wash it on my crease. I'm gonna add a pinky highlight. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder in Purple Dream. I'm just gonna go on with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is just like a mini version, mini travel size, whatever. Just for a little quick gloss moment to finish up this look, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty gloss bomb. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to hit the bell down below so that way you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys later.